I just received this floor mat. I don't remember the name of the company. It's some Chinese name, but I will link it in the description. It came as one piece, which I really liked. So this part for the middle floor section doesn't have a separation there, which is one less place for dirt and stuff to get in. It's also got a piece that goes over the dead pedal. It's like a plasticized rubber TPE. And it's supposed to clip in to the factory locations on the driver's floorboard. So I'm pretty excited about it because our floor is pretty beat up. This is an ex-Amazon van, so it had a good bit of use. And walking down the center aisle, and there's actually a bit of a split right here. So the light's pretty low in here. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and just film the installation and show you guys how well it does or does not fit around the contours of everything, the parking brake and all that stuff. I've done a quick vacuuming and cleanup of the floor, so it'll have a good place to rest on, and let's get started here. So that's all installed. Took about 30 seconds there. Now, because of my floor, I will probably end up trimming the back of this, and then it'll rest all the way down. It also was recommended that you leave it out in the sun for a few minutes so it can warm up, and it comes folded into folded up in a smaller box. So it's spread out really nicely. The fit looks great. These two plastic covers actually had a nice positive snap into the driver's side there. And everything else fits really well. Looks great. Like I said, it's got a nice, not too plastic of a feel and not too rubbery, so you can tell it's going to be durable. This is obviously not any kind of paid promotion. I got this for $85, I think, with tax. It was $89 with $10 off on Amazon. Again, I'll link it. There's a boatload of options out there. This one had good reviews, and I liked the texture. Looks like it's going to have pretty good grip and should be really easy to clean. So I'll do a longer term review on this. I expect once it heats up, it'll settle a bit. It's got nice coverage again over the dead pedal and then up under your gas and brake pedals, but not too far. Stops right here. Nice positive snap into these two driver's side floor mat locations, and looks really good. It's pretty nice. The WeatherTech is $240 for this van, which is what I have in all my other vehicles. But I didn't like that it had a separate piece right here because of the split in mine. I want to protect the factory floor. This is also going to help deaden a little bit more noise. I've already got kill mat up, 100% coverage throughout my whole cab area for when I did the camper conversion. But anyway, that's that. I'll do a longer term follow-up on it. If you've got any questions about it, send them to me. But overall, just immediately, I'm impressed with the look and the fit. I'll trim this one to fit my floor. And if you haven't already checked out the camper build, give it a look. I've got videos chronicling just about the whole build. So anyway, hope this helps somebody. Y'all have a good one.